par. O, siya naman ang hinahamon ko ngayon.
Hahamonin mo ang lit-lit ng katawan niyan. Ikaw parang traktora.
Lahat, Francesca, party na-invite you?
Ay, ba? Ay.
Oo.
Kaya mo yan, girl.
Ano ang pwede mong gawin na kaya kantahin? Gawin mo, gagawin ko. Pero may gagawin ako na hindi mo magagawa.
Ay.
Sige.
Ewan ko kayo na mamili ng song.
Through the fire. Through the fire.
Through the fire. Go.
I look in your eyes and I can see we've loved so dangerously. You're not trusting your heart to anyone.
You tell me you're gonna play it smile. We're through before it's time. But I believe that we've only just begun. When it starts to, there's no saying no. Boy, I need you so I'm ready to go.
Through the fire, through the limit, through the wall. For a chance to be with you, I'd gladly risk it all. Through the fire, through whatever comes my way. For a chance I'd take it away.
Oh, teka lang. Siya, ang galing niya magtaas ng tono. Ako hindi lang tono ang tataas, pati anit ko. Itaas mo. Through the limit, through the wall. I've had a chance to be with you. I've had a risk it all. Through the fire, through whatever comes my way. I've had a right now, yung alaga kong poodle. Yung poodle ko. Yung poodle ko.
Galing! Naluluha siya.
Ano, kaya mong tanggalin ang ano?
Wala akong laban doon.
Nakakahiya.
Lizardo?
Ako ang tunay mong ama.